Hi, hello. Good afternoon, my dear legendary students.
Good
Welcome.
afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome back to online webinar classes. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Vasu College. So today,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, ma. Continue of the topic that is reproduction in protozoa. So where we discussing, ma? Where we discussing? Come on, me. Anybody can say what is syngamy? What is syngamy? So, what type of syngamies are there? I want a perfect answer within 1 minute. Come on, tell me what is syngamy? Hello. Tell me. Syngamy. Syngamy.
Sir,
Huh?
syngamy nothing that male and female gametes look like a zygote. By the fusion of
Male and female gametes.
male and female gametes. These are three types of isogamy, anisogamy, hologamy.
Okay. Okay. Tell me. Isogamy.
Production of new ones by the fusion of by the binary fusion of male and female.
Okay. See, production of syngamy means what? You must be mutual. Syngamy means production of daughter individuals, production of new anguans, and production of what happened? New offsprings. Okay, by the vision of male and female gametes to produces, okay, like a zygote-like structure is called what? Syngamy. Syngamy can be divided into three types: isogamy, anisogamy, and hologamy. Isogamy is the production of new anguans, daughter individuals, or offsprings. Okay, by the male and female gametes. By the similar male and female gametes is called what happened? Isogamy. And examples: monocystis, and next one. What are the examples? Elphidium and monocystis.
Elphidium.
And next, anisogamy. Production of new anguans, daughter individuals, or offsprings by the fusion of dissimilar
male and female similar gametes.
Male and female gametes is called anisogamy. Example: plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
Example. Next, production of lost hologamy. Production of new anguans, new offsprings on
by matured of male and female gametes.
By matured male and female gametes.
Example.
Yes. That is called Today we are going to discussing about. So that is conjugation. What ma? Conjugation. Today we are going to discussing about conjugation. What is conjugation? Okay, so very important. Okay, so this conjugation process, production of new anguans, new individuals, production of new individuals, new anguans, new offsprings. Okay, by the mating of similar individuals. By the mating of what ma? Similar individuals. Okay, that is called what ma? Conjugation. That is called what ma? Conjugation. Simply production of new anguans, or new offsprings, or new daughter individuals by the fusion of what happened? Simply Similar individuals look like a similar individuals. Okay, that is for the maturity purpose, for the mating purpose, is called conjugation. The simple definition, what happened now? Mating of two individuals, simply. Mating of two individuals to produce new young ones. Mating of two individuals, production of new young ones, or the production of new young ones is called conjugation. Those individuals are going to conjugation process. That individuals are called conjugates. Okay, simply what one? Mating of two individuals. Mating of two individuals for the production of new young ones. Okay, so that is called what ma? Conjugation. That is called what ma? Conjugation. Right. Next, for the which individuals are useful for the conjugation? Which individuals are useful for the conjugation? That individuals are called conjugates. What ma? That individuals are called conjugates. That individuals are called what ma? Conjugates. Must I repeat? Those individuals are useful for conjugation or mating. So that individuals are called what? Conjugates. Okay, conjugates. Clear? So definitely in conjugation, this conjugation process, okay, this conjugation process takes place in animals in unfavorable condition. This conjugation process takes place in animals what unfavorable season. It takes place in animals. What happened? It takes place in unfavorable unfavorable season or condition. It takes place unfavorable season or condition. What happened, Lavanya?
Sir, Lavanya muted, sir.
Today you are going to too disturbed. Okay, if it is not interested class, you left from the class, Lavanya. If it is not interested, you left from the group. Okay, don't disturb, ma, please, Lavanya. See, it takes place in which condition, ma? In which season? It takes place in unfavorable condition. It takes place in unfavorable season. Okay, so the examples of conjugation. Examples of conjugation. I would like to take one attendance, please. 45 members are there. Okay. Now, see, it takes place in unfavorable season. The examples of conjugation. What are the examples? Padma, number one, Paramecia chordatum. Number one, Paramecium chordatum. Number two, Vorticella. Number two, what now? Vorticella. This is the conjugation process takes place in two examples. So, you write the examples Paramecium chordatum, right? For example, see, Paramecium chordatum, remembering one thing. Paramecium chordatum, this is the one of the important. For example, first we discussed just important few points about the paramecium. Few points about the paramecium. Very important thing. In paramecium conjugation, before we are going to conjugation, conjugation in paramecium, it takes place in unfavorable condition, unfavorable season. So in favorable season, what happens? The paramecium to takes place to produces magmas by binary fission. But later, in unfavorable condition, it takes place only in conjugation process. Before we are going to take highlights of the conjugation, right? See here, okay, this paramecium freshwater animal, right? So this paramecium which is having cilia, right? Mainly here in conjugation, in paramecium conjugation, so the nucleus are major play role. Two nucleus are major play role now. Mainly micronucleus is major play role. Micronucleus are major play role. So the paramecium in conjugation, two nucleus are major play role. One is bigger one, that is called what? Macronucleus. What? Bigger one, macronucleus. Bigger one is called macronucleus, and smaller one is called okay, that is what? Micronucleus. 1 minute. One emergency phone is coming. We'll continue. See what? In paramecium conjugation, mainly two nucleus are there. One is macronucleus, one is micronucleus. Two nucleus are major play role for this conjugation as a sexual reproduction in protozoa, especially in paramecium. Right? So one is bigger one, that is macronucleus, smaller one, that is micronucleus. In this, during the conjugation process, okay, this micronucleus is disintegrating into cytoplasm. Macronucleus disintegrating into cytoplasm to give the nourishment to paramecium during the conjugation process. Can I repeat once again? Okay, remembering one thing. Here, so the macronucleus which is disintegrating during the conjugation process, macronucleus is disintegrating into cytoplasm, finally disappear. It gives the nourishment to the paramecium during the conjugation process. So that is important of them. Simply, macronucleus is main function of macronucleus, that is what? Nourishment. Nourishment nothing but to give the nutrient to the paramecium during the conjugation process. Got my concept? Okay, right? Okay. Now, next coming to the point. Okay, what is the function of micronucleus? So this micronucleus which is responsible for this micronucleus. This micronucleus which is responsible for the sexual reproduction in protozoa, sexual reproduction in paramecium, special, right? So that is very, very important. Mainly micronucleus is only which is to reorganize to produces micronucleus, reorganizes to send totally newly parameciums are formed by the division of micronucleus. Purely micronucleus which is responsible for the sexual reproduction in paramecia, that is specially for conjugation. Okay, simply micronucleus which is responsible for the sexual reproduction. Macronucleus is responsible for the during the sexual reproduction. Okay, during the development process. Okay, it gives the nourishment. So these macronucleus which is responsible for the what sexual reproduction in paramecia. In paramecia. So that is very important. Okay now. So come on, tell me in chart box. I would like to open chart box. What is a function of macronucleus and micronucleus? Write the chart box. Very speed. Come on, tell me. I want chart box. What is a function of macro and micronucleus? Fast. Hello. Yes, Froze nourishment is for macro, development of sexual reproduction macro. So both are you are written Mahalakshmi. Yes. So micro is responsible for the sexual reproduction is micro. Yes. Okay, Maha, very good. Afro, very nice. Only two guys are there. Only two guys are there. Rimani is not there. Okay, Afro sexual reproduction for micro. Yes. Micro is responsible for the sexual reproduction. Nice, nice. I want everyone. I want answer. Okay, micro. You must be don't personally. You must be shorted everyone, right? Micronucleus is responsible for the sexual reproduction. Yes, right. Very good. Okay. Only two guys are there. Limra, Tajim. Okay, micronucleus is responsible for sexual reproduction. Yes, nice. Madhuri, yes, macronucleus function of nourish. Okay, very good. Varalakshmi, microsexual reproduction. Yes, very good. Okay, only these guys are there. Thank you very much, Tajim, Mahalakshmi, and Varalakshmi, Madhuri. Okay, Afros. Thank you very much for your responding. Majabin, macronucleus responsible for sexual reproduction and macro is nourishment. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Fantastic. Your response. Thank you very much. Now, so coming to the point, how the paramecium, yes. Okay, Madhuri, yes, yes. Thank you for your responding. So the paramecium and conjugation process, how? Just I would like to give example, but in detail is not there in our syllabus. In detail, it is there in our particularly in PG syllabus, right? So yes, Sandeep, yes sir. Okay, thank you, Sandeep. Right now, let us come into the point. See, it is a little bit matter is there, right? Conjugation of paramecium, what happened? For example, already told you, na? Already told you. For example, both. So this is the paramecium. Both parameciums are mating. Both parameciums are mating. The mating parameciums, mating individuals are called conjugates. Conjugates. Mating parameciums are called what? Conjugates. Both conjugates are mating. And what happened? See here. After mating, the plasma membrane is dissolved. Plasma membrane is dissolved. Okay, Lavanya. Yes. Micronucleus function of the nourishment. Okay, done. So this nuclear membrane, pellicle membrane is dissolved and both cytoplasm are mixed. Here, what happened now? Just now I told you now. Here, just now. So this micronucleus is disintegrating. Micronucleus is disintegrating. Micronucleus is disintegrating and to give the nourishment to the conjugation process, right? Finally, the macronucleus disappear. But newly, so micro is there. These micronucleus, what happened now? Division, mitotic division and meiotic division. So many divisions are takes place. So many divisions are takes place. This micronucleus and to produce what happened from the each conjugates. From each conjugates, the micronucleus reorganized so many mitotic and meiotic division to produce each conjugate. How many? Each candidate to produce how many? 4 offsprings. Okay, 4 offsprings are produced. Okay, so total how many offsprings are produced after conjugation? Come on, tell me. How many conjugations, ma? Totally 8. How many parameciums are? How many parameciums are formed? Come on, tell me.
8, sir.
Right.
or formed.
8.
Okay,
Option.
once I repeat, during the conjugation, macronucleus are disintegrating to give the nourishment to the conjugation process. Here, micronucleus is responsible for the whole and soul conjugation, sexual reproduction. These macronucleus again and mitotic meiotic division takes place. Finally, to produces how many? 4, 1 conjugate to produces 4, 1 conjugate to produces 4. How many conjugates are there? Here 4 plus 4, that totally 8 conjugates are there.
8.
So after paramation conjugation, how many produces? What ma? Total 8 offsprings are produced. Right. So here, very important note. Here, very important note, ma. During the binary fission, the paramecia to lose complete their energy. Paramecium during the binary fission to lose completely in the favorable condition by take place of binary fission whole lifespan, they lose total energy. After conjugation, during the conjugation, by the conjugation process, they regain, reorganized. This conjugation process, what ma? It takes place unfavorable condition, but this paramecium unfavorable condition takes place conjugation. By the conjugation process, they reconstructed, they reorganized, regaining their energy by the conjugation process in the influence of micronucleus. That is the power of conjugation in paramecium, as well as verticell laws. Right? Very important thing. So in verticella, remember one thing now. In verticella, Bell Hamel tube. In verticella also, what ma? In verticella also, right? In verticella also, macro is there, micro is there, ma. Macro is there. In verticella after conjugation, verticella, right? So after conjugation, so total what ma? 4 plus 3. How many ma? 4 plus 3. 1 conjugate.
Seven.
How many
7.
are formed? 7
Sir.
are formed. 7 offsprings are formed in verticella. Remembering one thing. During the conjugation process, so this is a male should be died. Very important. Male to be disappeared. Okay, now total how many offsprings? 7 offsprings are to produce after verticella conjugation. Very important. In paramecium, remembering one thing. See, in paramecium, 8 offsprings are formed. In verticella, total 7 offsprings are formed. Right? So this is a very important thing about the conjugation. Once I repeat. Okay, conjugation in a conjugation process. So mating of 2 individuals, production of living ones is called conjugation. So if the individuals are for the mating, that individuals are conjugates. The conjugation process takes place in unfavorable condition. Example, what ma? Verticella or paramecium verticella. In conjugation paramecium, what happened ma? Here mainly 2 nucleus are responsible. One is micronucleus responsible for sexual reproduction, macronucleus responsible for the nourishment. Right? Okay. So during the conjugation process, macronucleus is disintegrating to give the nourishment to the conjugation process. But here, total micronucleus is responsible for takes the division, mitotic, meiotic division takes place to produces what happened now? Totally, how many? 4 offsprings are formed. As well as in verticella, same. Micro is disintegrating, micro is to produces totally 7 offsprings. Here, note in the conjugation process. So these paramecium after binary fission, they lost completely their energy. But that energy in unfavorable condition during the conjugation process, after conjugation process, they reorganized, reconstructed, regaining that energy by the process of conjugation, and the responsible by initially, that is micronucleus responsible. Okay, this is a conjugation process. I think all of you to understood this total concept of conjugation. Okay, now coming to the point. See, Coming to the point, conjugation is completed. Now let us autogamy. What ma? Let us come to the point. What ma? Autogamy. Autogamy. Okay, very, very important thing. So this autogamy is one of the sexual reproduction in protozoa. So what now? Autogamy is one of the best sexual reproduction in protozoa. That is, this autogamy takes place in what now? Paramecium areata. What ma? Paramecium areata. Okay, which organism? Come on, tell me, ma. It also takes place paramecium, but different species. Different species. What na? What is ma? Come on, tell me. Autogamy takes place in Paramecium areata. Very, very important thing, right? This is a one of them. Right. Paramecium areata will explain. Okay. So this Paramecium areata. Okay. What is the main important thing? See here, Paramecium areata this is the CV contact vacuole. This is the cytosome. See a cytostome. This is the cytophagy. Okay, this is a cytopharynx. Cytopharynx. Okay, this is a contact vacuole. Come on, tell me. Okay, anyone can say what you observed. Just now already Paramecium chordata already said in conjugation. What is the difference between Paramecium chordatum and Paramecium areata? Anyone can say? Anyone can say? What is the difference between? Ma? What is the difference between? Come on, tell me. What is the difference between Paramecium chordatum, Paramecium areata? Anyone? Swapna. So all of you switch on your videos. Switch on your video. This is kindly request regarding all of you. So you are going to sleeping or sleeping mode. I can't observing you what you are doing in your home. Right? Swapnama. Come on, tell me, Swapnama, MZC. Swapna BJC is very active, but Swapna MZC is not there today. What happened? Okay, Mahalakshmi, tell me what is the difference between Paramecium chordatum, Paramecium areata? Hello. Just now already told you na, beta. Just now already told you na. Ma.
Species are different.
Tajin, Nandini, Santoshi, Madhuri, don't sit like a rock-like structure. I want sit like a clock-like structure.
In this species are different.
It takes place in unfavorable condition, takes place unfavorable. No, that is not correct. Of course. What do you observe? I would like to draw here. Come on, tell me. I would like to draw here Paramecium chordatum. This is Paramecium areata. This is what you observe in the diagram. That is clear.
Sir, contractile vacuole is absent in Paramecium areata.
Contact vacuole is present. Both contact vacuole is present, ma. Same structure. Same structure. What you observed about PC and PA? That you must understand. Paramecium areata, Paramecium chordatum. What you observed in this diagram?
Micronucleus are 2 in Paramecium areata.
Very good. Excellent answer, Nandini. You've done a good observation, ma. You've done a good job. Nandini, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mahalakshmi. Okay. Thank you, Mahalakshmi. Okay, thank you very much, ma. That much amount of the observation I want required. So you must interact with the dynamic answer, right? Thank you, Nandini. Thank you, Ma. Right? So see, you must be observed now. Paramecium chordatum, macronucleus is there and micronucleus. Right? Macro is there and micro is there. Right? Clear? What, ma? Paramecium chordatum. In paramecium chordatum, what, ma? Macronucleus is there, micro is there. In conjugation, already told you. Whereas in paramecium arelia, what happened, ma'am? One macronucleus is there. One macro is only one. But micro, how many macro? 2 micronucleus are there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the difference between so many times asked in what happened CSR net level, PG entrance level. So that is the different paramecium chordatum and paramecium arelia. Okay, so that is a different. This is the process. What is, got my concept? Okay, here paramecium chordatum which contains macro, one micro. Whereas paramecium arelia, 1 macro, 2 micro. Come on, tell me, paramecium chordatum, what is the function of micronucleus? What is the function of micronucleus? In chart box.
Helps in sexual reproduction.
Tajim, that is sexual reproduction. Macro?
For nourishment.
Micronucleus.
For nourishment.
Micronucleus.
Yes. Okay, very good. That's it, Ante. That's it. Okay, that is the right answer. Okay, now. But here also same. Macro is disintegrated cytoplasm to give the nourishment, and 2 micronucleus are responsible for the production of new embryos. Here autogamy nothing but here there is no mating. There is no 2 individuals mating. The 2 individuals mating is called conjugation. But whereas in autogamy, there is no 2 individuals mating. Only fusion of self nucleus. What happened? For example, see, this is a paramecium. So this is macronucleus is disintegrating. Both macronucleus are to be fusion each and other. Auto means self, gamma means fusion. To fusion to produce new embryos, right? Clear? Very important. So macronucleus is disintegrated cytoplasm. 2 micronucleus are responsible for the self. Micronucleus both are fusion. Okay, both are fusion. Sir, my voice break out. What? Something network problem? So all of you audible to me by voice? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some people are singing Swapna. Okay, something your network problem. Of course, here also some network problems there. Okay. Try to understand. Clear? Here, micronucleus disintegrating. Micronucleus are to be, both micronucleus are to be fusion and to produce new embryos. That is called what? Okay. Autogamy, nothing but self micronucleus are fusion to produces so many gametes, so many embryos. That is called what? Autogamy. Autogamy takes place only in paramecium arelia. So this is important about the, so what happened? Autogamy. So today we have discussed conjugation process and autogamy process, right? So, and time is today. Okay, the time is end. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about hemixes and endomixes. 2 topics are there. Just 10 minutes we'll explain. So next we'll go to locomotion in protozoa. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about. Today the class is completed. Thank you very much. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasavi Degree College, signing out. Thank you very much.